Hey guys, welcome back to Rattler Farmstead. Today we're gonna do a little grading with the land plane. This thing right here is awesome. I haven't used the rippers yet. Haven't needed to, but this thing, it cuts and smooths. And I'll show you. I'll show you what we got going on here today. We had a couple of series of bad storms came through. If I haven't posted anything, and it's been down and everything, but the driveway, you guys can see that it's washed out, all the way up to there, all the way up to here. And of course, all the gravel come down here. But today, I just want to show you guys what that land plane can do. So we'll get at it. I don't want to have to buy no more gravel. So that's the whole thing of that, because you can, start on the side of the driveway and pull everything. It keeps getting kicked out. You can pull it back into the driveway, and then just use the land plane and work it out. All right, here we go. So, like when you first start off doing this with a land plane, I got the land plane back there ready to go. You want to stay all the way over on the shoulder. That way the land plane can pull that stone out. And you just want to, you don't really want to cut too deep. Put it down where you got a little bit of pressure on there. And you can see how it just kind of just works its way back out. So with all the sticks and everything laying in the driveway, you got to push back over backwards. If the tractor's bouncing, then that means you're putting washboards in your driveway, so you just got to slow down, and then you got to push back over top of it to get all that out. I'll show you here in a second. You got to pass for the rust is. That's how I let it all run out. And then we're going to push back. This will get all the washboards and everything out of the gravel. And I guess we're going up here, you got to put tractor in four-wheel drive just so you ain't spinning and still a little wet. But yeah, all right. Yeah, I really like this thing. Driveways or, you know, you want to do a flat, smooth off a good spot. Works real good for that. I'm gonna put that mud back in and dump that over the main. The box blade and all that stuff. You got to benefit too. But this by far for driveway is great. Nice and slow. You have to keep your method by a lot of stone for your driveway. Every couple of months. Hit it after you have a bad storm, just go on there. And I know most of you like me anyway, probably just trying to find an excuse to use something for your tractor to get them tractor time. And just got drag it, move it out. Especially with it wet like this, because it's bumpy. Push it back till you run out. And we got this guy get all the ruts filled in. And push it back out. And then should have took care of this. I mean, it'd be nice if like you had a roller or something like that, you rolled in. So you can just do like I do and just keep running the tractor up and down it. Sticks and everything. And now you can see ruts are gone. And I was running up and down a couple times with the tractor and get it patted in there and be good to go. I really Got almost 50 hours. I'm gonna have to do my 50-hour service on the TYM 574. Man, I love that tractor. And I had that old David Brown tractor. And of course, just having the front end load on and all that. I got the skid steer over here, but it's just so nice that you ain't got to keep running back and forth between the skid, getting on the skid steer, doing whatever you got to do, get back on the tractor. And I mean, yeah, this you can tell is not as strong as the skid steer, because the skid steer that's all it's made for. But this 2IM tractor, give it a thumbs up. I love it. Great machine. My daughter, she likes operating it more than I do. She does a lot of the bush hogging and everything. But back to the land plane. As you can see, it's a LMC made in the USA down in Alabama. And I had to take my hydraulic top link off because it's not long enough to run this. So I gotta get me a longer hydraulic top link. But other than that, I haven't had no problems, no complaints on the tractor at all. Love these tires. But like I said, I'm gonna do my 50-hour service. So I do 50-hour, do a review on it. After all that done. But that's it. I'm gonna take the tractor and run up down through here a little bit more, tighten that up some, just because, of course, it's summertime, hot and humid like this. Always thunderstorms in the evening time here in Virginia. So I'm gonna take the tractor and I'm gonna run this in and run up and down it, pack it down good as I can, just so hopefully it keeps it from washing out again. I mean, it's gonna wash out, but just do the best I can and keep up with it, and wash out again. I'll just get back on the tractor and hit it. Give you guys a feeling. Guys got take this bad weather or something where you're at, take it out in the middle. And I really appreciate, the comments and stuff that people have been leaving me. That kind of stuff just gives you encouragement. Make you feel like people, watching your stuff and enjoying it. Thank you guys for that. Well, I am at 50.7 hours. It's hydrostatic. I like how they got it too. It's not like Kubotas with, both of them together. We gotta get ahead to get it. We got your forward pedal, your reverse pedal, and if you leave it on auto, the harder you push it, it idles up with it. That's a nice feature. And they're just a nice overall tractor. And TYM's got a lot of good reviews on them. And I really want to give a shout out to Gary at Nuts Equipment, North Carolina. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the videos. I think I've got 99 subscribers. Thank all you guys for subscribing. Takes time, and it's hard to do, but I'm trying to dedicate more time to it. But I appreciate you guys having patience with me. Again, seeing the subscribe numbers goes up really gives me a lot of encouragement, and the views. Appreciate it. Like always,
Better start small than not start at all.